Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to set up a .NET environment on Mac with .NET 10. Let's get started. First, we'll download Visual Studio Code if you don't have it already. Open your browser. You can find the address in the description below. Go to this address. Download Visual Studio Code according to your computer's hardware. Then head over to the Downloads folder. Open the zipped file you just downloaded. Normally, Apple sets up new applications in the Applications folder, but VS Code is an exception. As soon as you open the zip file, the application is ready to use there. I suggest moving it to the Applications folder. The first step is done. Now return to the browser to download .NET 10. You can also find this address in the description below. Again, find the correct SDK according to your computer's configuration. Go to the Downloads folder and double-click the file you just downloaded. Then complete the setup by following the instructions on the screen. You can now delete the setup file. Now open Visual Studio Code. Find the Extensions tab on the left side menu. Then search for CSharp Dev Kit and click Install. Once you see the Uninstall button, you'll know that the installation is complete. You can either use the Welcome tab or go to the Explorer tab on the left side and click the Create .NET Project button to create a new project. I'll create a console application for this demonstration. Select the directory to keep your project. Then name your project. Select the solution file format. Finally, click Create Project. Your project is ready. You may see the Do you trust the authors of the files in this folder prompt. Click Trust to proceed. Run the project. VS Code may ask you to select your debugger, choose C#. Point to your project for the Run configuration and Startup project. If you have more than one project, you may select a different startup project if needed. Now you can see the Hello World message in the debug console. Your project is up and running. If you want to check the version you are using, you can open a terminal and type .NET version as I do here. You can check out the other videos on the channel to learn more about C# development. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support us.